Luckily, the weather has cleared up and it looks like we'll be able to fly Newt's balloon, so we pack up and head off to the neighboring town of Lier.
Before ballooning, of course we have to refuel. The advantage here is that we can stop at any regular car gas station and we can refuel our balloon.
And the good weather isn't the only unexpected treat tonight. Our friend Michael Klingberg will also be flying tonight. Michael is truly an inspiration. He has flown in 34 countries. Places like the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, which is the world's largest salt flat, Red Square in Moscow, and even over a Bruce Springsteen concert with his daughter. And tonight, we're planning our latest little adventure.
Well, now we're here at Lierbyen,
Okay.
in the middle of the valley here.
Yes.
And it seems like the balloon, the wind is tracking this way on the ground,
Right.
but it's turning and tracking back
As you get higher.
as you get higher.
That's right.
So if we are lucky, we'll land at the same spot.
Great. No need for chase
No, that's
screwdrivers.
right.
And you're by
Chase crew.
yourself.
That's right. Chase crew
Otherwise,
on
we say
by
goodbye
foot.
to you. We have a chase.
It's 2 balloons, which means a lot of work. We set to work preparing the balloons for flight.
The only thing difficult about ballooning here in Norway is we have to do everything. No chase through mine.
No chase.
It's a good thing we have a lot of helping hands with us.
How often do you fly nowadays?
It depends on the weather. We live in Norway and we can have a bad summer, we can have a bad winter, so it depends on the weather. But this summer has been good and winter as well.
And we're off for a peaceful ride over Norwegian countryside. All the work was worth it. To be able to take in this beautiful landscape of greenery, hills, and lakes. The sun sets after 10 in the evening here in the summer, so I could stay and admire the view for quite a while.